This review is for a 300 watt power inverter. Really good looking unit here by ALLWEI. It is supposedly 300 watts and 600 watt peak. But of course, using the cigarette lighter, they have recommended that you use alligator clips and that you keep the continuous wattage under 150 watts is what I'm trying to say. We're going to give this thing a test. What's nice about this is it has a USB-C port, or charging port on it. It has also a USB-A port as well. And then the two power outlets here, the AC power outlets, are controlled by the switch. You could use either of the USB charging ports without the switch being on. And pretty much that's what comes in the box. I'm going to crank my vehicle here because I want to test it with a floor lamp that I've got outside. And it'll be safe to open the garage, so I'm going to open the garage as well. So don't mind all the noise that you hear, okay? And so this is the floor lamp that we're going to test here. We're going to just plug her in. Make sure she's off right now. There we go. And it's time to plug it in. Let's go. Okay, and something is already on. There we go. So that lamp is on. I'm going to turn on both of these. This is probably only, to be honest, these are LED bulbs. So it's probably only about 30 watts here total that are running, about 15 watts per bulb. But as you see, it does work. This power inverter, 300 watt power inverter by ALLWEI, it is available on Amazon. Thanks for watching.
So I bought the inverter, but it will not turn on. No light. It will not work. I just bought it so I can use my green machine to clean my car carpets, but it sadly is not working. And I did leave it charged for like 30 minutes. It still won't work or turn on. I flipped the switches back and forth. But it does not work. I got this little inverter for a road trip as a, just in case, and so my kids can watch. And I just opened it. I'm testing it out, and it is already working really well. This is a high volt fast charger, and that was working very well. I also plugged in a portable DVD player, and it works really well too with both going. So overall, seems like a win.
Went to use the car charger today, and as you can see, watch this, it does not stay. None of them do. Flip it over. Same issue, falls right out. And I don't know if I just got a defective one, but for some reason these are too loose.
I don't know, man, it just won't cut on. Tried doing the other directions and everything, it just don't work. plugged it in the right way, everything. Like, it just sucks because we were so excited to get it too. I guess round 2, I guess. So my battery bank doesn't have a inverter connected. So I got this, and now you can put 2 USBs and 2 like I think 120 volt household plugs, up to 300 watts of power coming out. I'll watch your startup power, so don't like hook a microwave up to anything. But you know, it's small, it's pretty quiet, and you could like charge. Okay, so I just bought this morning. Just opened it like 5-10 minutes ago. Won't cut on, the fan won't cut on. It's plugged in. It's not working. Light won't cut on. Uh-huh.